Hey guys, Lucas here from Vintage Surplus, and today we're going to go over the Eagle Industries 100 round pouch. So this is the 100 round saw pouch from Eagle Industries. You can find this in multiple colors, and they've gone on like version 2 from here as well. Just a lighter material, but this is your standard one in khaki. So this is a pretty cool pouch. It's actually really useful. It's great for a small IFAK, small GP pouch, or just holding 100 rounds of ammo. So yeah, it's MOLLE, doesn't take a whole lot of space, and it's pretty easy to secure your gear in there. Just a big hook and loop flap. Inside here, if you've seen the MVG inserts, if those fit right in here, it's a perfect spot to put your PVS 14s or other sensitive items in an MVG insert, and then right here in this pouch. So that's a great add-on to this pouch is the MVG insert. Overall, a lot of guys use them as small IFAK pouches because it will hold just what you need for one person. Nothing really extra crazy like that. Just a good pouch overall. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you head on to VintageSurplus.com. Check out all the products we got. Make sure also scroll all the way down to the bottom and sign up for our email list. Twice a week we send out new stock and restock emails so you can see what the newest items we got and the newest items were just restocked. Also on Wednesdays I like to shoot a little history email out with just random US military facts that you might not know about.